All right. Hello, everybody. 2020 quarantine. It's been crazy time in 2020. Um, however, this 2020 is um, today is a highlight of what I've been talking about for about 2 years. Um, been thinking about it for a while. It is basically Bitcoin's halving. Um, the Bitcoin halving is basically. Let me just quickly define what Bitcoin is first, just for y'all that do not know. It is a digital currency created in 2009. It follows ideas set out in a white paper, basically meaning in its protocol, made by a developer, Satoshi Nakamoto. Um, his true identity has not been verified, and probably for the best. Again, furthermore, there are no physical bitcoins, only balances kept at a public ledger. Basically, hundreds and thousands of computers are mining and validating a transaction. That way, there's no Bitcoin being printed or faked. It is all legit, and unlike our fiat current system right now, with the Fed printing not even billions but trillions and trillions of dollars, by the second, it's actually very alarming. Um, so I came into this investment asset class in about 2017. It did start at, of course, 1 cent. Slowly but surely has climbed throughout the years with, of course, dips. There are no possible way that any market could go straight up without having a little bit of a correction. However, time has been true, and the system itself, of course, with supply and demand, shows that nevertheless it will keep on going up. I got around here.
December 2017?
Yeah, 2017 December. I just graduated my nursing school, something I've been working on for 5 full years, and I totally forgot that my graduation was that day. I actually bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin with my credit card. Bad decision to use a credit card, but it just shows how intrigued I was into this revolutionary product. And when did you get into
I
it?
think I jumped right after around my birthday, which was around somewhere after January. Um, and I was a little skeptical about it, but hey, all these people who I admire and I follow on YouTube and social media were right on it, jumping on it, and they were talking about it and raving about it. So I said, why not me?
Right. And who was that you
Yeah.
followed?
Oh, Michelle Phan. Oh no, yes. I was like, what? Michelle Phan is into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? Oh my gosh, she's doing all this stuff, always linking that she's mining and doing satoshis. I was like, no, I gotta do that.
And you don't have to be an expert, and that's the thing, just to get started. The point is to get started.
Yeah.
This video, or any one video, if this is your first time learning about it, hearing about it, should not be the only video that you go about. You should really be active and search it yourself, and of course,
And be part of it. Involve yourself on it because it's something that it's gonna revolutionize the whole money industry.
Right. There are some key people that I have seen that really validated, being into the asset class. The Winklevoss twins, you all may know them from Social Network. They own approximately 1% of all Bitcoin in supply. Robert Kiyosaki, he has over 7,000 properties, rental properties. Author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. Chamath Palihapitiya, chairman of Virgin Galactic and um, co or ex um, closely worked with Mark Zuckerberg himself on Facebook. So we're actually gonna check out these live streams. This is here Anthony Pompliano, a big Bitcoin maximalist and supporter here. Let's see what's going on in this chat. Go live.
Olympics, even the Olympics got canceled. But it doesn't get canceled, right? Is that your argument? Is that the Bitcoin halving didn't get canceled by the pandemic? Yeah. Literally. Yeah, Jason, you want to know what I'm tweeting right now?
Oh no.
Okay.
Hit me with it.
There you go. Well,
Yo, Peter Schiff, Bitcoin has a lower inflation rate than gold now. Just saying.
Uh-oh.
Let's actually jump into data dash also. Let's see.
Staying resistant to mass inflation and on a
Is he
fixed
still in
monetary
here?
schedule against.
I think he told me.
Um,
But so yeah,
Shots
there it
fired.
is.
Fact. Big
Shots
fact.
fired.
Big fact, though. He was taking
Yay!
laps this morning. Did you see him?
12.5 to
Yeah.
6.2.
Listen, I like Peter a lot. You asked me about him earlier. The reason why I like Peter a lot is because I actually think Peter's been really, really right about a lot of aspects of the financial system. He called the 2008-2009 crisis perfectly. He was sort of YouTube channel. His opinion is that he thought Jeffrey Epstein was a
Altcoin data.
construct. He implied that he was a foreign construct and
We could ask these guys a
Israeli
question. These
construct
guys are actually really
put
big as
into
well.
the U.S.
Into
to try
the
and basically blackmail. Hey, my view is Bitcoin does not take a break. I will not take a break until Bitcoin does. Meaning, it would have been easy, maybe back in 2013.
I'm gonna
which
ask
I did
them,
not own Bitcoin back then.
you know,
We didn't get
when
to
did you all
be,
get into Bitcoin?
Elon Musk doesn't take a break. Like, we're content creators. We're interested in Bitcoin. We need to be here for this, and we like to be here for this. Now, if I look tired, it's because I haven't gotten a haircut for months. Hey, Ethan Barron tipped us $2. This is a question for you. Are you guys identical twins? I can't decide. Yeah, I work from home. This is what I like to do. I like to, like if Bitcoin is to be a thing, people want to know about it, and that's why they come to our channel. And if you wanted to start a channel, if you had a perspective you wanted to provide, if you think, I'm just one guy, anybody can do this, and it's only going to further the movement. Hey, we're about to get out of here. Obviously, we'll stay if there's a super chat. But just know in the next couple minutes we will be sort of ending it, whatever. But Harris tipped us $5 and asked, when did you both get into BTC/crypto? I'll start, but then Aaron has a specific Uber story that he might want to share. But generally speaking, I first heard about Bitcoin in 2013. I was still in college at the time, so I thought about it. I thought it was cool. Did not have the bigger picture perspective. It got back on my radar. From an investment point of view in late 2016, and from then on, I just learned as much as I could, started dollar cost averaging it.
That's right. Good. Some people just stay on the sidelines.
2013 or 2014, something on Reddit. I told you guys that story. I've learned somebody paid, the first use case for Bitcoin, they paid for pizza, and then I forgot all about it. In 2000, and then really in 2016, and then 2017 was just my getting really involved in it. And I was taking like an Uber to see Jake and Amir live at the Improv, two comedians. And the Uber driver was talking to me about some coin called Firecoin or something. And he said oh man, Firecoin 3x or something. And we were just like, okay, thank you. He was a good guy. He liked to chat, but actually what he said intrigued me. And then I knew this other guy I worked with who was talking about cryptocurrency. And so I got in 2016, but I really didn't start following the market every day until 2017, and then ramping up to the end of 2017, I was like, holy shit.
Well, so basically now, Bitcoin mines are going to be rewarded with just 6.25 instead of 12.5. So that inflow of Bitcoin is going to be much less, and the demand, of course, will always, not always, but most likely keep on propelling up, and that's how you get a major surge in price. It may not be immediate, it may not be in this week or even next month, but with cycles, normally you see it within about a 12 to 18 month time frame. That's what happened in 2016, and of course, at the very end of 17, it did top off from. Of the year, it went from 1K January 2017 to about 20,000 in December of 2017 in just 1 year. I mean, and this time it may not go 20x. I mean, you can just go 10x. But either way, it's quite a big jump. It's a really good opportunity for people that are just getting started. And of course, veteran investors as well have been jumping on the boat. Big hedge fund managers have been coming up stating their interest and how much they actually are involved. Like Rob Powell, big hedge fund manager, ex hedge fund manager. But wow, so quite the beginning of a community, really. Like you see here on the screen, about 2.7K people are watching. Anthony was about 3 or so, and Data Dash as well. We really are the 1% right now of the world. Not even 1% of the world have any exposure to cryptocurrency. So if even a percentage of the liquidity and the amount of money that's inside stocks or real estate or gold and silver leaks into crypto, um, just a small amount will absolutely just shoot it to the moon.
I think that it's gonna change, and we're excited to be part of it.
Yeah,
We're
very passionate about cryptocurrency in general as well as Bitcoin.
perfect time for you guys to get involved. Search on it, read about it, YouTube it, whatever you feel more comfortable with. But I mean, honestly, it's something that it should be part of your life.
And with that, guys, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to
Subscribe.
wash your hands.
Oh yeah, wash your hands. Social distance.
And yes, leave a like because this is gotta go down in history. And subscribe to our channel. My channel here, it's it's free. And hope you all have a great day wherever you are, and keep an open mind.